So what we've got here is a busy road that I'm trying to turn right on with, as you can see, a lot of queuing traffic from left to right. An obvious solution would be, as the traffic stops from right to left, and before the queue builds again, I'll show my intentions and hopefully someone's going to let me go. And I've just got enough room after the black one.
Oh, cheers.
Or maybe not. Thanks. I also love, over the next 40 seconds of waiting, how this lady doesn't acknowledge me once. Do you think she knows she messed up a bit? Let's see whether I'm going to work this out this time, else I'm probably going to be waiting here until rush hour finishes. Thank you, car to the left and Mr. Coach Driver. You are true gents.